So here is how we can make the Unread folder in the Outlook app on the iPhone. Let me get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So of course I get inside the Outlook like this, and let's say that I'm gonna go to the inbox right here and I can see all of my messages and so on. And in order to see the folders, you can see that I tap on the profile picture in the top left and it slides out the side panel. I can see the different accounts and I already have the Unread folder, right? So I mean, I actually do not have it, right? So that's interesting enough. But the Unread folder is basically all of the messages which you haven't clicked on. So for example, I have them inside of in here, but if you want to, you can also tap on the pencil icon to manage your folders. Right, so if you want to create a new one, you can always tap on the button right here, and let's say that I'm going to name it Unread, right, for our purposes. So I'm going to click on create, and I have a new folder which is called Unread. And if I actually want to utilize it now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to my inbox and I'm going to select a few emails. What I'm going to do with those is that I'm going to click on the new button and put them into the Unread folder, so it moves them away, right? And I can just see that those emails are still unread and I can go in here and read them, right? So that's something which I have the ability to do, because obviously everyone which has the dot next to it is the one you haven't opened yet. So that's kind of how you can see it as well. Whenever you get inside the regular inbox, you can as well see that those which I didn't click on have the dot next to them. So that's how you can manage it as well. But yeah, that is how it would work. In case you have some additional things or questions regarding this, let me know below in the comments. I hope that I was able to help you out with it. But for now, that's it, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.